days just like this, and you think, wow, I wish I knew how many steps I had taken today. I ran around all day. Well, it doesn't take a rocket scientist, just Microsoft MakeCode and a microbit. So we're going to use Microsoft MakeCode, and we can find that by going and just typing it in the search bar. And we are going to use the microbit, and we're going to find the code for that. So the very first thing we need to do is create a new project. And for this, we're going to call this one Step Counter. Okay, so it gives us our very basic code already. And what we need to do is fill it in so that we can communicate with our microbit unit. So it tells us that on the start, we need to tell our microbit what we want to display. And so since this is our first time making a pedometer or a step counter, we're going to need to tell our microbit to display our steps. And that's what we're going to name our variable. And to begin, we're going to start with setting our steps to 0. So notice that our microbit isn't displaying anything right now. So we need to let our microbit know that we want it to show the number. And if we walk around all day and we take 1,000 steps, we don't want our microbit to always display the number 0. So we come back over to our variables and we let it know that we want it to display the same number as what is equal to the number of steps we've taken. So now our microbit knows to display how many steps we've taken. We need to tell it how to know when to count our steps. So we're going to select our input method. And for this microbit, we're going to decide to display a number each time that the microbit shakes. And so it will be each step that we take, the microbit moves and it'll shake just a little, and that's going to be our input method. So now you can move over here and you'll notice that we can shake our microbit or we can shake it manually, but nothing's happening. So we need to tell our microbit by putting in the code to increase the number each time it shakes by 1. And the way that we do that is we come back over to our variables, and each time that our microbit shakes, we need to change our step number by 1. So now, each time the microbit shakes, we can shake it like this, or we can manually shake it. Okay, we'll see that our step number will increase by 1. And that is all the code that you need to make your microbit into a step counter. Now that we're ready to copy our code over into our microbit, we do that by clicking Download. And then it'll put it into our download folder. So once we open that up, we just drag and drop right down to our storage device, which is microbit. You'll see that the light starts to flash on the back. This is called flashing. When we'll know that it's ready, our little countdown, it'll stop, and our microbit will light up with a 0, and we will be ready to go with our new homemade pedometer.